Section we will discuss about major seaports in India. Mainly after independence, Kandla, one of the most important seaport developed by government of India, because after independence and during partitions, India lost Karachi port. Yes, and to decongested uh, Kandla port developed by government of India. Okay, so Kandla port located in the Gujarat. Here Kandla port located in the Gujarat developed by government of India after partitions. Okay, with the long coastline of 705 7,516.60 km, India is dotted with 12 major and 187 notified non-major, minor or intermediate ports. These major ports uh, handle 95% of India's foreign trade. Okay, so Kandla is Kutch was the first port developed soon after independence took place of volume of the trade on the Mumbai port. Okay, another important coast seaports is Mumbai. Mumbai, one of the largest seaport, is which is located in the Maharashtra and coastline of Arabian Sea. Okay, and near another important ports is Jawaharlal Nehru. Jawaharlal Nehru port developed to decongest the Mumbai port, because Mumbai port had a vast hinterland, and in this way Jawaharlal Nehru served as a substitutory port of the Mumbai port. Okay. Another important port here Mumbai port and Jawaharlal Nehru port locations. Jawaharlal Nehru port also located in the Maharashtra. Next is Marmagaon port. Okay, Marmagaon port located in the western part of India, mainly state of Goa, in Goa. Okay, Marmagaon port serve and plays important role for exporting minerals, mainly iron ores. Okay, in this way, Marmagaon port is very important and one of the most oldest port also. Okay, and after Marmagaon, New Mangalore, important seaports, major seaports. New Mangalore seaport situated in the Karnataka state of Karnataka. Okay, and New Mangalore port mainly serves for uh, exports of iron ores. Okay, export of iron ore, mainly Kudremukh iron reserves, and mainly iron ore received from Kudremukh exported by this ports. Okay, New Mangalore ports, and it has vast hinterland, and it has also harbor, well settled harbor. Okay, and another is Kochi. Kochi, one of the southwestern most south southwestern most seaport, okay, which is located in the Kerala states, and it also has vast hinterland. Okay, next to the eastern part of India and eastern coastal part of India, Tuticorin, one of the important seaports, which is located in the Tamil Nadu. Here Tuticorin, you can see Tuticorin located in the Tamil Nadu, and Tuticorin port, southeastern most extreme southeastern port of India. Okay, and Chennai, another important port, which is located also in Tamil Nadu. Okay, and it has well settled harbor, and it is one of the most important seaports in India. Okay, and next is Visakhapatnam, which is located in the Andhra Pradesh, and it has long and large hinterland and natural harbor. Okay, it has a natural harbor. Okay, and one of the oldest port. Okay, and next is Paradip, which is located in the eastern part of India, mainly state of Odisha. Okay, Paradip has large hinterland. Okay, and maximum minerals like iron ore and different type of coal etc. are exported from by this ports. Okay, are exports by the help of this ports. Okay, and next is Haldia. Haldia seaports, Haldia ports developed to decongest of Kolkata port. Okay, and Kolkata port, which is Haldia port, which is located in West Bengal. Okay, West Bengal, and most important port in India. And another is Kolkata. Kolkata is a riverine port. Okay, and Kolkata, located in the West Bengal and capital of West Bengal, Kolkata, one of the important seaports. Okay, in this way, these seaports are very important for map questions also. Locate and leveling major seaports in India. Like we can summing up about it. Okay, Mumbai is the biggest with a spacious, natural and well-sheltered harbor. The Jawaharlal Nehru Port was planned with the view to decongest in the Mumbai port. Marmagaon Port is the premier iron exporting post. Yes, from Kudremukh iron belts or iron deposits. Marmagaon Port is the premier iron exporting ports, and New Mangalore port located in the Karnataka. Kochi is the extreme southwestern port, and extreme southeastern port is Tuticorin. Visakhapatnam is the well protected port. Paradak in Orissa, also imported port. Kolkata and Haldia, located in the western part of India, in state is West Bengal. Okay, so location Kandla, western part of India, Gujarat. Mumbai, located in Maharashtra. Jawaharlal Nehru, located in states of Maharashtra, and Marmagaon, located in Goa. New Mangalore port located in the Karnataka states, and Kochi port located in the Kerala, and Tuticorin, locations of Tuticorin in the states of Tamil Nadu. Chennai, also located in Tamil Nadu. Visakhapatnam port located in the on Andhra Pradesh. Paradip, located in Orissa, and Haldia and Kolkata, located in West Bengal. So I think you have got sufficient knowledge about it. You will require practice, okay, for locate and leveling major seaports.